I would like to issue the following statement on the matter of the spokesman for His Majesty, our King. I'm commanded by His Majesty, King Mangosuthu Buthelezi, to make the following statement. In light of several contradictory reports in the media of late, His Majesty King Mangosuthu Buthelezi has written to me today requesting that I publicize his clarification on the matter of the spokesperson to the King. For the sake of putting this matter to rest, a copy of His Majesty's letter written in isiZulu is attached to this statement. The translation in English is as follows. Now, this is His Majesty's letter sent to me. Ndabezitha, it is with great dismay that I write this letter in the midst of an acute loss of respect shown by the Prince of uNdunkulu, Prince Africa. Ndabezitha, I wish to make it quite clear that there is no meeting where I appointed Prince Africa to be my spokesperson. This is in spite of the fact that princes who approached me regarding this matter came to see me. I just never did appoint him, and what aches me intensely is the manner he has been derogatory against the Prince of Kopindangeni in the letter yourself, which was brought to my attention yesterday. Nevertheless, it is clear that Prince Africa is a liability to involve him in royal matters. This will create huge problems for us. Prince Thulani of Esbindini Palace is the one who is responsible for any matters relating to royal affairs. When I need to communicate any matters to you, Makeba, I always contact you as my Prime Minister. An attack against you is an attack against me. I request Your Highness to clarify it to the media, both print and electronic, as well as social media. It is my wish that Prince Gebizizwe, Kangatulana Solomon, and Prince Africa of uNdunkulu should cease to be members of the Royal Coronation Committee forthwith. Ngamanye amagama namhlanje ngibeka amazwi omlomo ongathathi manga iSilo esingibhalela incwadi engicoshe namuhla. Incwadi ibhala iqondiswe kimi uNdunkulu weSilo amaZulu. Incwadi ngokuphuma emlonyeni ongathathi manga ithi Ndabezitha. Ngibhala lencwadi make ngokukhulu ukhathazeka ngendlela umntwana uNdunkulu, Mntwana Africa aselahlekelwe inhlonipho ngayo. Ndabezitha, ngiyafisa ukwenza kucace ukuthi awukho umhlangano lapho engaqoka khona umntwana uAfrica njengomkhulumeli wami, noma abantwana bafika kodwa kimi bekhuluma lolu daba luba ngimbeka ngaze ngimqobe. Okungikhathaza kakhulu indlela adelele ngayo umntwana encwadini engiyibona izolo. Ndabezitha, kuyacaca ukuthi umntwana weAfrica uyingozi nokumgcina endabeni eziphathelene nesihlalo, ngasihlalo umonakalo omkhulu. Umntwana uThulani waseyibindini ngokwehhovisi nguyena ophathelene neindaba ezithinta isihlalo neNdunkulu Ndabezitha. Uma kukhona ngifisa ukudlulisa esizweni sonke, ngikhulume nawe Makeba njengoNdunkulu wami. Ukuhlasela kwakho kusho ukuhlasela kwami. Ngiyakhuleka umntwana akwenze kucace lokhu kwabe indaba nakuzo zonke inhlaka zokuxhumana. Ngiyafisa Makeba ukuba umntwana uGibizizwe kancwadilana kaSolomoni benayo uMntwana Africa bangabe besaba nangxenye bangabe ingxenye yekomiti elihlela ukubekwa kwami esikhundleni sobukhosi. Isincwadi sayinwe King Mngosuthu kaZulu. Lokho umlomo ongathethi manga othi angudlulisele esizweni. Ngiyabonga.